Hi, everyone. My name is Robert Clark. I'm from Dover, Delaware. I'm a physical education teacher at Dover High School. I've been in that position for 16 years. I also coach two sports. Right now, I'm currently in the golf season. Right now, I'm working on my second master's through Wilmington University. My major is Master's in Applied Technology. This is my last EDT course, so I'm pretty excited about that. I also have a few elective courses to work on to finish up there. Basically, what I'm looking for out of this class to learn is, I've got a lot of information from all the other EDT courses I've taken, some of the other elective courses. Just continue to learn about these new and innovative ways to teach a traditional course content like physical education in a hybrid or virtual format. I've learned a lot about different technologies and kind of how to put them all together in an effective teaching strategy. For my class content there. A couple other things about myself. Big New York Yankees fan. Having quite a good year this year. Love to read. One of my passions there. Vacationing, love to get away. Can't wait for the school year to be over with and get on the beach there. Like I said, I do coach golf. I also do enjoy golfing. Pretty much just spending time with the family, anything like that. So I'm definitely looking forward to working with all of you this 7 weeks. And, yep, thanks.